Brings me to the end of the commentary here. If any of you have any questions regarding our animals, please do feel free to come and ask me. Otherwise, I would like to thank everyone. Now, Duke Langurs, as you can see here, are a very powerful species of primate. In fact, these animals have a total of several bundles of leaves for them to feed on. And the food you see us giving them now, while this is just...
Okay, but I already told you guys the secret to this trick, which is just one single clap. Okay, we have to do this together. Okay, on a count of 3, one single clap, and then we stop. All right, let's do this. Everybody, hands up. 1, 2, 3. Raymond, no. Everybody say hi. No, hi, Diago. Very good. So let's change this time.
Whenever you're ready, show us what you got. Alright, hold the hooks really steady because she will jump to them in the blink of an eye. And there she goes! And later on, Eric will be getting him to offer some simple behaviors in which he will get reinforced for. This helps you build behavior momentum, and whenever Eric feels like a force, let's go! Okay, to the start. A bit distracted, that's okay. See if he is able to do it. Alright, George, whenever you're ready, the stage is yours.